Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Materials needed, math textbook, and pencil. Today we will be learning about two-dimensional shapes, textbook pages 859 to 862. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to recognize shapes by how they look. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let us review about picture graph. A picture graph uses pictures to show data. It is a good way to display data. Why? Pictures are easy to see and count. Vertices and sides. A vertex, plural vertices, is a point where two or more straight lines meet. It is a corner. Grade 2 students, are you ready? Excellent. Let's start learning. Please open your book on page 859. Solve and share. Draw some closed plane shapes that have three vertices. Write the name for one of your shapes. Is this name correct for all of the shapes you made? What are you asked to do first? Draw some closed plane shapes. Each shape must have three vertices. What are you asked to do after that? Write the name for one of my shapes. Then, tell if the name is the same for all of my shapes. What is a closed plane shape? A closed plane shape is a flat shape with edges or sides that connect so the shape is not open. What is a vertex? A vertex is a point where edges or sides meet. So we have here an example of closed plane shapes that have three vertices.
There are so many shapes in the world, and with so many of them, you can divide them up into their different category names, like this. All these shapes have three sides. They also have three vertices. They are called triangles. These are quadrilaterals. They have four sides and four vertices. And these, they have five sides and five vertices. They are called pentagons. And these cool guys here, they have six sides and six vertices. We have a name for them too, hexagons. All these shapes are polygons. The number of sides and vertices can be very telling. It tells you what shape a polygon can be and the shape it can't be. And that's a lot of cool information.
Let us now discuss triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. Triangles. There are three sides and three vertices. Quadrilaterals, four sides and four vertices. Pentagons, five sides and five vertices. And hexagons, six sides and six vertices. Open your book on page 860. How do sides and vertices help you name a plane? How do sides and vertices help you name a plane? The number of sides and vertices tells us which shape it can and cannot be. For your guided practice, please open your book on page 860. Match each shape to its name. The first one, it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, so it is a quadrilateral. Second one, 6 vertices and 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. The third one, 5 sides, 5 vertices, so it is pentagon. And the last shape, it has 3 sides and 3 vertices, so it is a triangle. Next, below, tell how many sides and vertices. Name each shape. For the sides, let us count. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 sides. There are also 4 vertices. So, it is a quadrilateral. Number 3, there are 5 sides and 5 vertices, so it is a pentagon. For your independent practice, please open your book on page 861. Match each shape to its name. You can pause this video while you are answering this practice. It's time to check your answer. Match each shape to its name. The first shape, it has 5 sides, 5 vertices, so it's a pentagon. Next, 6 sides, 6 vertices, hexagon. The third one, 3 sides, 3 vertices, a triangle. 4 sides, 4 vertices, a quadrilateral. Number 5, triangle, pentagon, quadrilateral, and hexagon. Here, draw the shape. Tell how many sides and vertices. Quadrilateral. How many sides? There are 4. Vertices. There are also 4 vertices. Hexagon. How many sides? Vertices. Triangle. How many sides? Vertices. Are your answers correct? Excellent. Higher order thinking. Bianca drew a triangle and a pentagon. How many sides and vertices did she draw in all? Draw the shapes. A triangle and a pentagon. How many sides in all? A triangle has 3 sides and a pentagon has 5 sides. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So we have 8 sides. How many vertices in all? A triangle has 3 vertices and a pentagon has 5 vertices. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So we have 8 vertices. For your math practices and problem solving, please open your book on page 862. Number 10. Marcos has 4 toothpicks. He places them as shown. What shape can Marcos make if he adds one more toothpick? There are 5 sides and 5 vertices, so this is a pentagon. Number 11. Connect all the dots to make 2 shapes that have vertices. Name the shapes that you made. 6 sides and 6 vertices, so this is a hexagon. Three sides, 3 vertices, so this is a triangle. Are your answers correct? Excellent. Number 12. Higher order thinking. Randall said that a square is a quadrilateral. Susan said that a square is a square, so it is not a quadrilateral. Who is correct? Explain. Randall is correct. A square is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A square is one type of quadrilateral. Number 13. Which polygon is not a hexagon? Remember, a hexagon, it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. So which one is not a hexagon? So we have letter C. Why? It has only 5 sides and 5 vertices. Two-dimensional shapes can be classified and sorted based on their attributes. Triangle, it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Quadrilateral, it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Pentagon, it has 5 sides and 5 vertices. And hexagon, it has 6 sides and 6 vertices.
The essential understanding for this lesson is, two-dimensional shapes can be classified and sorted based on their attributes. Previously, students used sides and vertices to define two-dimensional shapes, such as rectangles, squares, and circles. In this lesson, students use the number of sides and vertices to classify and name two-dimensional shapes as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, or hexagons. This problem is key because students use the number of sides and vertices to classify a given two-dimensional shape. Listen and look for students who miscount the sides and vertices, resulting in an incorrect classification of the shape. Encourage these students to recount the sides and vertices, making an X on each side as they count it, and circling each vertex as they count it. This shape has more than 3 sides and vertices, so it can't be a triangle. Listen and look for other students who state that the shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices, so it is a quadrilateral. These students show an understanding that two-dimensional shapes, such as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons, can be classified based on their attributes. This understanding prepares them to describe polygons by their number of sides and angles.
Thank you. See you in my next video.